Title holders Fraser's Whip and Arnett Gardens continued their perfect starts to the season with their third straight victories following the latest round of games in the Jamaica Women's Premier League on Saturday.
The Arnett Gardens train continued rolling in the Jamaica Women's Premier League, and Wi-Fi United were the latest to be run off the tracks as the Junglets made it 3 wins from 3 to start the competition following a 4-1 result at Carter Park. Shakira Douglas led the way for the Junglets with her second double of the season, with her first goal coming in the 4th minute. It was then made 2-0 for the visitors in the 21st minute. At the start of the second half, Douglas returned for her second of the day in the 59th. Tashelle Davis would pull one back for Wi-Fi United in the 82nd, but any thoughts they had of a late comeback was dashed when Arnett Gardens restored their 3-goal cushion in the 85th minute. Now, in the earlier game in the same venue, Proven Girls and Cavalier produced a rare goalless encounter. Over in Group B, defending champions Fraser's Whip also made it 3 wins from 3 after blanking Springers United 4-0 at Excelsior High. The score was opened after just 8 minutes when Christina Salmon found herself unmarked at the back post to slot home easily. Chanel Spence then made the game 2-0 in the 35th minute when she beat the offside trap before forcing an error from the goalkeeper. The other 2 goals came on the other side of the halftime break. Tavia Gale got the third with a fearsome drive from outside the box in the 55th minute. Captain Neville Gale Abel then completed the scoring in the 62nd minute. It was a first defeat for Springers United for the season, having won their previous 2 games.